Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Madison local and long distance movers near me. A long distance relocation occurs when you move your belongings over a distance of 50 miles or more. Long distance moves require a high level of expertise and experience to succeed, and we are up to the task. Everything is in place to transport and protect your belongings. Our movers are careful when handling your items. Our trucks are also of high standards. Our trucks are fit to travel over long distances, and we secure your items properly in them when loading. Our drivers are also cautious. They follow every state and federal road rule. We transport your belongings safely to your destination at the agreed time. A local move is less than 50 miles from your current location. They are also less expensive than a long-distance move. Our movers are very close to the locals. They invest time to understand their specific needs and provide solutions. Our local moving costs are also the cheapest you can find in Madison CT. Our hourly charge is as low as $30 to $40. We also have adequate insurance to cover any hazards that might occur during or after the relocation. We give our customers the best even with so little. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Madison moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.